Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So I am trying to do something good with my face, make use of my makeup. So I want to create a particular eye look. Yes, I want to create a particular eye look. So I've already done my eyebrows. I've had a little foundation on my face, and well, I can say this is not a full face makeup because my eye is not complete. So let's get to it and get my eye done. And meanwhile, I'm gonna say welcome back to my channel and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for tuning in. If you're my old subscriber, thank you for sticking on there, and if you're my new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Remember to click the bell so that you'll be notified each time I post. And if you are yet to subscribe and you're just that kind of people that are just peeping and what is she doing, and you're out, you don't want to subscribe yet, can I ask, what are you waiting for? Is it that you're not convinced enough, or I'm not doing what you like enough, or I'm not convincing you enough for you to subscribe? Tell me. Now I'm gonna wait for you. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Subscribe. Thank you. Okay, I know you're gonna do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and complete this eye look that I started. I'm gonna use this palette from this particular beautiful gorgeous palette right here to complete a particular eye look. So I'm going to use this brush and I'm gonna go into this deep brown right here, this particular one. I'm gonna go into it. And I'm gonna go into this one right there, just around here, to just make it pop. Like that. And I am going to just use this concealer right here, this Kiko concealer right there, to just use as a base there. Now I'll go back into that palette, and I'll go into this particular one right here. It's like a multiple color there, like all the whole color mixed together in there, and I really like it. So that's why I'm gonna use it. You see how gorgeous this is. This is so super pretty. And I'm gonna use this brush to go in with this particular one there, and go to the corner of my eyes right this. And this is how gorgeous that looks. Like, it's a multicolor. I don't know why you can't see it there, but though it's really gorgeous. And I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner, and I'm not gonna be wearing any lashes today. And I poured my Sacha buttercup away today, and I'm so sad. I'm really sad. I haven't recovered from it at all. It feels really bad. And I'm gonna use this black eyeliner or eye pencil under my eyes like this. So just to go around my face, I'm gonna use my L.A Girl high definition matte press powder that I smashed just to go around my face. And then I will go back with my blush powder brush. This is it. So I'm just gonna use it to do what I've done before. I'm gonna do a nude lip. You might be wondering why I'm looking down here. I've got a mirror just down there, so I gotta look into the mirror while doing this. So I'm going to be using my RK by Kiss lipstick. Is light brown or wine color, whatever, just between brown and wine. So this is what my eye look. I hope you like it, and guys, I'll see you in my next other video. Thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in, and bye.